Okay, so the back we're about the 26.5/8. And the front, yeah, we're 24.5. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul, and today we're gonna get back to working on the coupe. It's been sitting for about 2 months. Haven't really done anything to it since the dyno session last November, but today's goal is to get the front fenders and the nose at least back on, kind of dry fitted, because then I gotta still put on the hood. I'm also gonna experiment today with using the GoPro head mount, so I hope the video comes out all right. So let's get started. All right, we got the passenger side, a little tight quarters. I got all my landscaping stuff inside the garage for the winter, but we'll make it work. All right. Pretty good alignment. Man. Wheels nice and tucked. Got the little delete plate. Actually, if you guys want a really good delete plate, this one here is made by Gary Kessel Customs. Much better than the ones that you get from Alamar or wherever, American Muscle or whatever. So take a look at Gary if you're interested. Much smoother finish, as you guys can see. There's no ridge, so it doesn't collect dust, and it fits perfect. The driver's side now. This side we'll be able to get a much better perspective of the stance. That front tire is tucked way in there. Makes the tire look much smaller. Yeah, it looks good. All right, I'm gonna put just 3 screws in the top of the fender as well, just to hold it. And we'll keep going. That's far forward, so when you open the door, it doesn't rub. Yeah, we're good. All right, a little quick peek inside. Still got some work inside. Actually, inside's pretty good. What's left in here? I gotta just trim this carpet back a little bit. Might be okay, but trim it back a little bit. I gotta get new scuff plates. I got the little kick panel to slip in here. Yeah, not a whole lot. I think that's about it interior wise. There's no power to the car at the moment, so it doesn't really matter. That's the great thing of having a kill switch. Yeah, I'd like to do something back here just to cover that up, whether it just be some carpet or something, just to kind of tidy it up a bit. But other than that, interior's pretty much done. So we'll get back to that anyways. I gotta fire in a bolt right for this guy here. which is this black bolt, I believe, because it's got a really big head on it. It's been a while, so all right, let's get a screw into this guy here. And again, I'm just gonna leave it, just kind of, yeah. Just want to leave it loose for now. Make sure the door doesn't rub. Yeah, we're good. As you guys can see, the gap's way off, but you know, we're still got a lot of adjusting to do. All right, so even just loose, we can see the gap has already improved dramatically, but it's still off, but that's why you leave everything loose, so you can kind of push and pull it. But I'm gonna leave all that until till we get the hood, on. So let me go get the nose. I'm gonna put the nose on. That's a little trickier by myself, but we'll get it on. All right, get the nose in hand. Let's see how this goes. Oh boy, tight. Okay. So that corner is met. What's going on over here now? All right. We actually have a nose. Been a while. All right, so I'm gonna now just throw on the nuts on the 3 studs at the top, and that'll probably be it for today, guys. I just kind of wanted to get these on here, out of my basement, off my floor, back on the car. Want to see what it looked like, check out the stance. So we're still going to check out the stance, and that's it. But for now, I'm just going to throw these guys on here, just hand tight. And last one. All right. Sort of nice to see. Okay, so the back, we're about 26 5/8. And the front, yeah, we're 24.5. So I'm gonna raise the car in the front about an inch. It's a little bit too much of a rake for me. That's just my personal choice, or personal preference, I should say. It's probably one of those things I'm not gonna do right away, but at least I know where I need to go. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was the GoPro mount that I tried using today. I'm hoping the video, obviously I haven't even looked at it yet, so hoping the video came out okay for you guys. So step 1 accomplished. Fenders and front nose dry fitted on. Next step is going to be the hood, but I need an extra set of hands to help me with that. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. You guys know I appreciate it. Smash that subscribe button. And I don't have a hat, but we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.